Hey guys, we're going to be creating a printmaking technique called monoprint, but we're going to be using plastic bags to create this technique. It can just be a grocery store plastic bag. It can be like a plastic bag at home. Ziploc bags are fine as well. Used ones, doesn't matter. It can also be with some texture like bubble wrap. You can have, if you have some old bubble wrap at home, that would be great, so you can add a little bit more texture onto it. You can also cut the bubble wrap if you would like to create some shapes with it. Q-tip, paintbrush, paint.
What is a monoprint? Well, a monoprint is a form of printmaking where the image can only be made once, unlike most printmaking, which allows for multiple originals. I am also making a ghost print with the blue paint. A ghost print is when you place your leftover paint on a new spot of your paper. The print will be lighter than your first one because it has less paint on it. In this new monoprint, I'm going to be using my Q-tip. You may use your Q-tip to draw your idea out by creating lines, shapes, or patterns that repeat.
Don't forget to show and share with someone at home, and don't forget to take a photo and share with us on Facebook, Twitter, or through email. Can't wait to see what you created.